Tornado emergency for Larose, Tuluca, Wenona. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for eastern Marshall County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Washburn, or 8 miles southeast of Lincoln, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Larose, Tuluca, Wenona. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards include deadly tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by emergency management. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Tuluca, Wenona, Varna, and Larose. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 29 and 40.